What is going on, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna create a new page, and that will be the hire me page. So if someone clicks this button or if someone clicks this button, he should be redirected to the new page that says hire me. So that is going to be fun. We'll be using this Elementor plugin at all, okay, and we're gonna be working up with this. So we need two customization. Is that if someone clicks this button on computer devices, then it should open up a pop-up right here, and if someone clicks this hire me button on mobile devices or smaller devices, then it should take them to the page. So we're gonna do that as well in this WordPress, okay, and it is also easy. And also one more thing that I would like to say is that if I just decrease the size of my website, so if I just come here and if someone is viewing this website on a mobile device, then you will see that this website will not look good. Okay, let me just show you. You can see how this is coming. This is coming very above, and this is coming here. This button is right here. This is the line that is coming, and this is coming like this. What I can do is perfect. Need a professional developer is not looking good, so I want to just small this fonts of this and everything. So we're gonna also do this mobile optimization as well, because this is also very important if you want to create a website, and Google really emphasizes on a website to be mobile responsive and user friendly. If your website is not user friendly and mobile responsive, then Google will not send you traffic and Google will not consider your website to be the best. So make sure that your website is mobile responsive. I'll show you later on, so do not worry, I'm here. Okay, so let's get started. And what we want to do is that we want to create a new page, and that is going to be that if someone clicks this button on mobile device, then he should be taken to that page, and if someone clicks this button on a normal device or like a computer, where I am on a computer, then it should open up a pop-up right here, so person can just enter his details. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to just hit save. Okay, and you can see that this has been saved right here. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit this exit, and I'm gonna go to the dashboard, and I want to create a new page. So we're not totally done with our home page. We're gonna add some more stuff in our home page, so we'll just add some more stuff later on, but we just first want to build a new hire me page. So I'm just gonna click here to add new, and here I want to add hire me. Okay, and I just want to come here to the default template. It should be the default template, and I want to go down where it says the content layout. It should be 100% full width. The header should be the minimal, so we need to select the minimal right here. We don't want to select the transparent because we don't want our header to be transparent, so I'm going to select this to be minimal, and I'm going to go down, and where it says the title, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit disable. So now let's go ahead and let's publish this page, and let's see our page. So let's view this page. Here we go. You can see that this is how our page is looking. The reason is that I haven't made this page to be transparent. Okay, so if you want it to be transparent, you can go with that. You can go with the default. If you choose the default one, it is going to be the transparent, and it's gonna make some problem for you. Okay, so make sure that you don't do that. So you can go with the let's go to the header, and let's go here, and it should be transparent. Okay, let's come here and let's hit update. Now here, what I have to do, I need to come here and I want to click here, edit with Elementor. It's going to take me to the new page where Elementor would be here, and I can manage this page. So let's wait. Here we go. You can see we have our everything coming right here. I want to add, first of all, I want to add a header right here. Here should be the styling things that says hire me. So I am just gonna add the previous version where people can just add me or the hire me. So I'm gonna click add new section. I'm gonna click the full width. Okay, and now here I want to add the background image. So my background image is going to be, let's come here, style. Let's come here to the background type, click classic. Okay, now let's come here to image, and I want to add this image. Okay, and I want to hit insert media, and it should be full black. Okay, so I need to add the overlay, but first I want to do some stuff. The position is going to be default, attachment should be fixed, and the size should be cover. So now the parallax effect has been added. I want to go here and I want to add the background overlay. Okay, and the background overlay is going to be, so I want to give the background overlay to be bluish. Okay, I'm just going to come here, I'm going to hit classic. So let's come here, let's hit blue, and you can see that it has been added. I want to make it a little bit more darker, and like this. This is fine. Okay, now when I come here, I want to click here once again. Sorry. Okay, and I want this to be full. So now let's come here, let's go to the layout, and let's go to the height. So it should be a minimum height, and the minimum height is going to be 350 pixel or 300. 300 pixel is fine. I want to add a thing right here that should be hire me. Okay, let's come here. Let's see this basically. So I want to add the layout. Let's come here, let's click this guy, let's grab this and let's drop it here. I want to add this to be hire me, so it can be like full hire me. Okay, and I want to just bring this to center right here, so this is aligned as center. I want to come here to style, I want to come here to this guy right here, and let's choose the color to be white. So let's come here to the typography, let's increase the size. Let's just come here to family, and it should be open sans. The weight should be 300. So here you can see that this is how my website is looking. We have this hire me right here. Okay, now what I want, you can see that this is transparent. Okay, this is just because this theme is thinking that we have the transparent header, but we have made the customization there. So if I just go to itemzeal.com and then slash and then hire me, then you will see how my website is looking. You can see this is how my website is looking. Okay, this is not getting that thing that the header to be minimal. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit update now. Basically I want the header to be minimal, so I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit view page. Here you go, this is how my header is looking. So if you want your header to look transparent, you can go with this, but I think transparent was looking much better. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit edit page, and I want to go down and I want to go to the header, and it should be the default one. So let's go ahead and let's hit update. So default one will grab the default settings from the customizer. You guys know about the customizers and how the customize works. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit view page, and this is how my page is looking. So we have a hire me, and then I want to add a content section where here should be a contact form where people can just enter his name, address, his business name, and his phone number, and then he can hire me for like $10 or per hour or something like that. So you can set it later on, but we'll be adding a contact form only. Okay, so we'll be doing that in the next video, so stay tuned and bye bye.